Hi, welcome in Madrid. We are here to present our drone solutions, the system to connect easily the drone operator with the ATM. This system allows the drone operators to find out where they can fly, what is the lake regulations, what are the limitations. They can register themselves, they can verify the drone and the abilities for each flight. By simply setting the flight with the specific parameters, they can find out and they can have a verification about the ability to fly. Each flight is easily visible on the system to manage the drone operations. ATM can verify each drone operator with his abilities, with his licenses, insurance, and if he is going to fly according to the rules. The system not only connects both parties, but also warn drone operators about traffic around because of the collision alerts. And what is for us really most important, we are providing this full safety also by the system to report unauthorized flights. Whenever we see someone who didn't authorize him, we can warn authorities about each incident like that. Thanks to that, we can provide a full safety for aviation, not only for drones, but also for airlines. Thanks.